Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the battery in your Toyota Corolla key fob. It's a simple task that can save you a trip to the dealership. First, you'll need to identify the correct battery, which for many Corolla models is a CR2032 coin cell. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver. Having these two items ready will make the process smooth and quick. Now, let's get into opening your key fob. Many modern Toyota key fobs have a hidden emergency key. Slide the release button and pull it out. This often reveals a small slot. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should begin to separate, allowing you to access the internal components. With the key fob open, you'll see the internal circuit board and the battery. Some fobs have a small rubber protector over the battery. Gently remove it. Take note of how the old battery is positioned, usually with the positive or plus side facing upwards. Use your small screwdriver to carefully pop out the old battery. Then, insert your new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. Almost done. Now, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Don't forget to slide the emergency key back into its compartment. Finally, test your newly re-energized key fob. Try locking and unlocking your vehicle to ensure everything is working perfectly. You've successfully replaced your key fob battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.